Hey guys, Rasmus here. Gonna give you a quick mail day. All of this is from CNC, from a box and some group breaks. Let's start out with the box. I got some of those annoying minis. Billy Butler, no. Eddie Butler. Dueling die cuts, Springer Walker. This is Sano. I don't even know who this guy is. Oh yeah, Gary Carter. Sparkle. And I only got one regular auto, Levon Washington. Prince Fielder Chrome. Or Refractor, sorry. Hanley Ramirez out of 150. The Purple. Blue, Andy Burns. Out of 250, yes. And from the hockey, a canvas of Stastny going into my canvas collection. A authentic rookie of Jean-Gabriel Pajot. Authentic Fabrics Duel from SP Game Used. Holtby and Neuvert. Another one of the Duel. Green and Backstrom. A Mike Green Authentic Fabrics Jersey Gold, numbered out of 52. And here are the rather, well, the more attractive hits from the box and the breaks. This one. It's a Bowman Black Violet of Jose Urena, numbered out of 10. Kind of sweet. I wonder who will get that one, since it's a Padres. And the final one, which I thought was really cool, so I actually put it in a magnetic, even if it doesn't really need it. It's a Crystal Greats out of 12-13 Trilogy. Wayne Gretzky. Really cool looking card. Or it's probably made out of glass or hard plastic or something, but it's really cool. It's insane looking at it in person. So that's it, guys. That's the mail day. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, or do whatever you want to. Thanks. Bye.